Okay, Zoe getting down off her chair all by herself. And now she's going to get up there all by herself. You can do it. Come on. That didn't help you last time. Oh, it did. Good job.
Yay.
Yay, huh? Yay. You can get down now? Careful. Careful. Good job. That wasn't as graceful as last time. You gonna get up there again? Oh! Try again. Go, Zoe! You gonna put the monkey up there?